Time to change the air filter in my 2020 Ram 6.7 Cummins Diesel. I'm going to start out by popping the hood. Unlatch the hood, pop it up, and the air filter is located over on the passenger side, right in this box here. And I'm going to remove all the screws going all the way around using a 10mm socket. I put that on a drill just to make it quicker for the video. And I go all the way along the outside perimeter of the lid and take off all the screws that are holding the lid on. Well, there's a little part that hangs underneath here. This part gets stuck, so I have to kind of lift it up and move it over. But then once I get that out, I can lift the lid off and get the old filter out. And you can see this one's pretty dirty. It's ready to be changed. My replacement filter is going to be a K&N, supposedly a high flow, but it's a lifetime filter. I can just clean it out next time and reuse it. And before I put my new filter in, I'm going to get some of the debris that's in my air box out. You can run a shop vac down there if you want. And then I just slide my new filter into place, make sure it's seated correctly, and slide the lid over top, make sure that's lined up. And I have to tuck the lower left hand part underneath to make sure it's all lined up and seated correctly. Once I get that seated correctly, I can start putting the screws in. Now I'm using a drill for this, but I have the clutch set at a very, very low torque setting. Again, I could use a socket wrench, but for this video, I'm going to use the drill. So that's how you change the air filter in a 2020 Ram 6.7 liter diesel. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for all the updates. As always, I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.